Hi, hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss how to do accident investigation, 5W and 1H method. So generally everyone having confusion, yeah, doubt after accidents happen in construction, yeah, industry. So today in this video I will clear to you and I will try to clear your confusions. So please make sure watch video for understanding. So generally whenever accidents happen, so everyone having these questions, you should ask these questions for investigation. The first question is who means what we can ask: who was injured, who saw the incident, who was working with the employee, who had instructed assigned the employee, who else was involved, who else can help prevent this incident. Second one, what was the incident, what was the injury, what was employee doing, what had the employee been told to do, you what tool was the employee using at the time of accident, what machine was involved, and what operating was the employee performing. This question should ask in what, and as well as we can ask what instructions, like what instructions had the employee been given, what specific precaution were necessary, what protective equipment should have been used, what protective equipment employee using, what had other employee done that contribute to the incident, what problem or question did the employee encounter, what did the employee or witness do when the accident, what extraneous circumstance involved, what did employee witness seen. Then we can ask what will be done to prevent this occurrence, what safety rule were followed, and what new rules needed. Then when did incident occur, when did employee start on the job, when was the employee assigned on the job, when were the hazard pointed out the employee, when was employee supervision last check on the job progress, when did the employee first since something was wrong, then where did accident occur means location, where was the employee at the time, where was the supervisor at the time, where were follow or fellow workers at the time, where were other peoples who were involved at the time, where was witness when incident occur. This question we should ask in where for clear understanding at the time, supervisor, employee and all. Then we can ask why was the employee injured means why it is happened, like why and what did the employee do, why and what did the other persons do, why wasn't protective equipment used, why weren't specific instructions due to the employee, why was the employee in the position, why was the employee using the tool or machine, why wasn't the supervisor there at the time. That we can ask. Finally we can ask how did the employee get injured, how could the employee have avoided it, how could fellow workers have avoided it, how could supervisor have prevented it, could be prevented. These all questions we should ask during after accident during investigation. Thank you very much for watching my video.